Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an SD card not showing up on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open Finder on your Mac. At the top left corner of the screen, click Finder, and then select Settings. Inside the General tab, make sure that external disks, CDs, DVDs, and iPods are enabled. This allows connected storage devices, including SD cards, to appear on your desktop and in Finder. Next, click on the Sidebar tab at the top of the Finder settings window. Under the Location section, enable external disks and other removable storage options. After turning these settings on, check the Finder sidebar to see if your SD card now appears. If the SD card is still missing, open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Space together, then type Disk Utility and open the app. Inside Disk Utility, look through the list of connected drives and locate your SD card. Sometimes the card may appear without a proper name or label. If you find the SD card, right-click it and select Rename to give it a name if needed. After that, eject the SD card safely, unplug it, and reconnect it to your Mac. So that's basically how you can fix an SD card not showing up on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.